Welcome to this demo of the AWS IoT SiteWise on the EC942. We'll show you how to collect, process, and visualize industrial data using InHand Networks' powerful Edge Gateway. The EC942 is designed for industrial IoT applications with powerful computing capabilities. It can run AWS IoT SiteWise Edge, allowing local data processing and seamless cloud integration. Now you must have AWS IoT Greengrass installed on your device before we begin. Now the first thing that you want to do in your installation is you go to your AWS Management Console and then you look for AWS SiteWise. You'll see this button here, it says Create Gateway. Select Self-Hosted Gateway. You can rename this to your EC942 or just leave it. When you create the gateway, AWS SiteWise on the server side is going to be generating a shell script that you're going to copy onto your EC942, and let me just show you. So it's going to be generating this shell script and then downloading it to your local computer here. You're going to want to take this shell script, secure copy it to your local EC942 gateway. And then you're going to execute this shell script. It's going to install various packages, some certificates on your EC942 device. Open up WinSCP if you have it installed. Basically connect to the EC942 device. You're going to want to take that file that was generated and copy it over to your EC942. Can close this down. The next thing you're going to do is use your local SSH client. I have PuTTY installed, and just SSH into your EC942. So I've already done this, but just to let you know, execute using sudo command. You want to add a data source. For this, you're going to need an OPC UA server. Now, because I don't have an OPC UA server, I'm using Node-RED to simulate one. Let me just start Node-RED. I set up a local OPC UA server here. The URI for the server is going to be different for your installation. I just take this endpoint URI and then put it in this local endpoint on the SiteWise data source. Then I can call this whatever. Click on save. So here I'm going to be generating data using Node-RED, which is actually going to simulate data and then transport it to the OPC UA server. From there, the EC942 is going to act as a middleman and send it off directly to SiteWise. So let me just start that simulation. From here, I can actually view the data that's being simulated on SiteWise by coming to the management portal. When you click on data streams, as you can see here, I'm simulating two different data points, temperature and humidity. And to actually view the data in a chart format, I can just select the two data points and then view it on the graph here. As you can see, I've been simulating this for a few minutes. Now you can set up AWS SiteWise on your local gateway by following the instructions listed on the blog post. Just follow the instructions, you should be all set to go as long as you have an OPC UA server. And again, you need to have IoT Greengrass installed on your local EC942 device as well. With AWS SiteWise running on the EC942, you can enhance industrial automation, optimize performance, and gain real-time insights all at the edge. Thank you for watching.